Welcome back, everybody. My name is Monica Ayala here at Riverside Hyundai, and today we're going to be talking about tow mode on the 2026 Hyundai Palisade. Today we're going to be checking out our trailer mode. Trailer mode automatically turns on to let you know if your trailer is connected or disconnected from your vehicle. You also have information on your default trailer. It also gives you the option to add an additional trailer. On your left, you have your checklist, providing you with 8 simple steps to connect your trailer and provide you a wonderful experience. We also have our settings, providing you trailer notifications when your vehicle is connected or disconnected from your car. You also have driver assistance. Driver assistance allows you to customize all of your safety features. Last but not least, you have your tow mode, allowing you to select the different weight on your trailer: heavy, medium, or light. Thank you guys for watching. Any comments, drop it down below, and we'll see you soon.